Coming soon, a groundbreaking development that's not just changing Stellenbosch's skyline, but reshaping its future. Imagine 340 hectares of mixed-use space, where history meets innovation and every day offers something new. Welcome to the Bridge, a visionary precinct. The Bridge offers a walkable neighborhood with schools, a piazza, transport hubs, and local shopping, all within reach, designed to balance modern convenience with outdoor living. Sustainability is key. From water conservation and solar power to renewable energy, the Bridge is built for a resilient, eco-friendly future. It's not just about growth, it's about sustainable progress. Anchored by Stellenbosch University, a leader in technology and sustainable development. With the innovation hub at its heart, 30 hectares dedicated to education, research, entrepreneurship, and cutting-edge technology. It's a seamless mix of residential, education, business, retail, commercial, light industrial transportation, and green spaces. Investment opportunities abound in this future-focused, diverse community. Join us in creating a legacy. The Bridge isn't just a development, it's a vision, blending tradition with innovation to shape a brighter tomorrow.